Hey everyone! Today we're making something absolutely gorgeous, Floral Bath Salt. It's a mineral-rich, flower-infused bath salt blend that's going to turn your bath into a spa session. Not only will it relax your muscles and calm your mind, but it'll also leave your skin feeling soft and pampered. And the best part? We're using pure salts and whole botanicals. No artificial fragrances, no synthetic colors. Just nature doing what it does best. Before we start, let's look at the equipment we need. First up, a clean, dry mixing bowl. I'm using a glass bowl because it's non-reactive and easy to clean. Next, a digital scale. We're formulating professionally, so measurements should be precise. A spatula or spoon, ideally silicone or stainless steel, so it won't damage the delicate petals. And finally, clean, dry jars for packaging. Oh, and of course, a pair of gloves so we keep things hygienic and avoid adding any moisture from our hands. All right, let's meet our stars. Drum roll, please. Our ingredients. First is Epsom salt. This is our muscle relaxer. It's full of magnesium, which helps ease tension and soothe aches after a long day. Himalayan pink salt. Look at that blush pink color. This salt is packed with over 80 trace minerals. Think skin replenishment, detox, and that subtle natural exfoliation. Blue pea flower. This one is a treat for the eyes. A natural deep blue color, plus it's rich in antioxidants to help calm and protect the skin. Chamomile flowers, known for its calming properties, both for your skin and your mind. Perfect for an evening soak. Calendula petals, bright yellow petals that are amazing for soothing irritation and helping skin repair. Rose petals. These bring hydration, gentle toning, and that uplifting romantic aroma we all love. Tulsi seeds, also known as holy basil seeds, cooling, hydrating, and rooted in Ayurvedic tradition. Jasmine flowers, pure luxury. They smell divine and are amazing for relaxation. Safflower petals, a warm pop of orange that adds brightness and a touch of antioxidants. These are some amazing ingredients which will work beautifully in your formula. Now, let's start with formulation process.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
Step 1. Make sure everything is clean and completely dry. Any moisture can make your salts clump or your flowers lose freshness. Step 2. We'll start with our salts. Into the bowl, add Epsom salt and Himalayan pink salt. These are our base. They'll make up 70% of the blend. Please measure according to the formula table shown earlier. You can also download it by sending us an email at hello@learncanyon.com. Step 3. The botanicals. Now the fun begins. Yay! One by one, add in your blue pea flowers, chamomile, calendula, rose petals, tulsi seeds, jasmine, and safflower petals. All measured according to our formula.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes
Step 4. Now we start gentle mixing. So we blend, blend, blend.
So then, why?
Step 5. Check. Just take a look. The colors, the textures, the fragrance. It should already feel like a bouquet for your bath. Now, let's pack it up. Seal it tightly. Remember, bath salts hate moisture. And here's how to use it. Just add 2 to 3 tablespoons to a warm bath, swirl it in, and let the salts dissolve. Then sink in, close your eyes, and let the minerals ease your muscles while the flowers and aroma melt your stress away. That's it, your very own floral bath salt. Spa luxury right from your home lab.